Lovely boys, welcome back YouTube channel. So how's you all? I hope you're all fine and good. God bless you. Always be happy in your life. Always be keep smile. It's lovely boys. Today we'll see in this video. Today we'll see in this video's modern and stylish unique bob with bangs haircuts ideas. Fabulous and attractive, you will see stylish unique bob with bangs haircuts, hair colors and hairstyles ideas. Today you will see in this video's particular stylish modern bob with bangs haircuts designs, decent dyed haircuts, hair colors and hairstyles ideas. So you will see in all modern different haircuts designs, bob haircuts, pixie haircuts, pixie bob haircuts, stacked bob haircuts, choppy bob haircuts and chin length haircuts ideas. Marvelous and stylish, you will see unique stylish bob haircuts designs. If you like my videos, so viewers, please download it my videos, and you like this one unique haircuts ideas, so take a screenshot and save to your mobile. I hope you like my videos friends. I hope you enjoy my videos. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in these videos. Marvelous and stylish, you will see unique stylish bob haircuts, pixie haircuts, pixie bob haircuts, stacked bob haircuts, choppy bob haircuts and chin length haircuts ideas. Marvelous and stylish, you will see unique stylish bob haircuts ideas. You will see stylish bob haircuts, pixie bob haircuts, stacked bob haircuts, choppy bob haircuts and chin length haircuts ideas. Fabulous and attractive, you will see stylish unique different haircuts designs. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in these videos. I hope you like my videos friends. I hope you enjoy my videos. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in this video. So I will meet you in next video. You will see stylish bob haircuts design. So take care.